Seac Killer 4P long prong. Hello everyone, welcome to Apnea Passion YouTube channel. Today we will present the new prong by Seac, the Italian company based in Genoa, which has expertise in diving, free diving, and of course spearfishing equipment. Now with prongs, you could think that they're all very similar, but they're not. In fact, apart from the number of single prongs you have, 3, 4 or 5, and this, as you can see, is a 4-prong solution. The materials are key. First of all, the prongs must be of good quality steel. Seac has designed these with tempered stainless steel. Now the stainless, of course, is a good solution to resist oxidation and rust, but the tempered solution is also key because it's a process which gives the steel much more resistance, rigidity, and durability. In fact, when you have shocks on the rocks for a missed shot, for example, or hitting a sea bream near a rock, the metal must not bend but must not break. The same thing applies to the base, which is made of anti-shock nylon. It's actually glass-loaded nylon. The glass loading also helps to avoid water absorption and humidity absorption, which would change the resistance quality, the mechanical quality of the nylon. Of course, must be anti-shock because if you hit a rock again, the force acting on the prongs will also act on the base, and this could crack if it's not an anti-shock solution. So very important. As you can see, the prongs are shining. This is a polishing solution that Seac also uses because it helps additionally to prevent rust and oxidation. The design is very interesting. If you see the base, it's made with these nice water channels which improve water penetration, and we know how important it is with prongs. You of course have a much lower water penetration compared to Tahitian shafts, but you try to obtain the best, and with this nice design by Seac you surely have a good efficiency in water penetration. Now if you look at the prongs, they are parallel. This is a choice by Seac. You can find parallel solution like this one, or on the market also slightly divergent ones. This parallel solution surely improves penetration in the fish and partially in the water. The divergent solution has the aim to partially improve the hold on the fish. Now, to have an excellent hold on the fish, Seac has designed these opposed barbs at the tip of the prongs. The two right ones have a left orientation and the left ones have a right orientation. With this solution, according to Seac, you have the best possible hold on the fish. Now, let's see some measures. Seac has indicated the length of the prongs equal to 103 millimeters. Now, this is not a huge number, even though they call the Killer a long solution. It's quite a standard solution on the market today, and it is actually measured equal to 103 millimeters. The total length indicated by Seac of the prong is 160 millimeters, and they're actually 162, so more or less that's the value. What is important with prongs is also the weight. They don't have a big volume, so in the water they don't actually have a weight difference which is consistent. So let's see the weight. Let's put the weighing machine to 0. There we go, it's set to 0. Let's try and weight 65 grams. So considering that it's on the tip of the Speargun, we must of course evaluate this weight. It will be slightly less, but only slightly less in the water because again the volume of this element is not big, so you don't have the force pushing up the element with the Archimedes law. And so this is important when you set up and try to balance the buoyancy of your speargun in the water. The Seac Killer fits M7 threaded shafts like this one. It's very easy. There you go. Very simple. So overall, a very interesting solution by Seac. We will test it for you and we will present the review on this channel and on apneapassion.com international web magazine, which is also free. If you like this video, please put a like and follow us on our YouTube channel, and go and check all the details of the new Seac Killer 4P long prong on apneapassion.com. Thank you.